Alright guys, I went ahead and delivered our load here in Laredo at the terminal. Finally get a chance to wash the truck. I've been needing to do this for about 2 weeks now. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this load here secured. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We'll probably have about 14 straps, I'm thinking. We'll probably end up putting egg straps over the top, over the front. Alright, so I went ahead and got the straps on. I think I got 2 more to put on in the back. We got our X straps over the front here. Play that tight. Alright, what is up guys? We are in Dixon, Tennessee here for our fuel stop. It's Sunday, March 16th. Supposed to be filling up 52 gallons here. We are currently, I don't know if you can see it there, we're about halfway, so I guess we'll go ahead and put our 52 gallons. We're about an hour from our first stop, or maybe about 2 hours I'd say, in Brownsville. We drop off our load there on Monday at 10:30, and then we have a stop Tuesday out in Purvis, Mississippi. So we're gonna get as close as we can to our first stop today, so we'll probably stop somewhere in Jackson, Tennessee. But I guess we can go ahead and get fueled up here. If I could find my fuel card. And we're actually finally out of Love's. We've been fueling up at a lot of Pilots lately for some reason, so haven't been able to stack up my points. Gotta clean our windshield. Alright, went over a gallon, that's alright. Get some exhaust fluid here. Almost 3/4 on DEF fluid right now. So anyway guys, this is our load here. We're hauling some rolled up fencing product to Lowe's, and not too bad of a torque job. We had to adjust the front yesterday because somehow on the other side this was flapping too much. All good, and we ready to keep on moving. Good morning, guys. We have made it to our Tennessee stop off here. We're gonna go ahead and check in, see if they'll let us in about an hour early. How are you today? Oops. You with the papers? Okay, thank you. All right, guys, so we went ahead and checked in, and apparently I gave them the wrong bill of lading, so that was my bad. But we ended up getting into security, past security, and we're backing up to our unloading point here. So we're about to pull these tarps down, and shouldn't be too long here. Our appointment's not until 10:30, so we are a couple minutes early, but I don't think that's going to be a big deal. All right, guys, so stop one is blue tarp here. I could very much so be wrong, but we're gonna go ahead and get these bungees off and take a look. All right, perfect, sweet. Yeah, second stop. Yeah, everything that's first stop is gonna be under the blue tarp. Go ahead and pull these down. Okay. Our tarp is free. All right, we're gonna have to grab this from the back. Let's see if I can pull this down. Throw this over the top. Okay. Just get it over the corners there. Okay, buddy. You don't want to fight me today, huh? Oh, thank you. So this is all coming off on this side. I'm not able to get that black tarp over that edge up there. So what I'm thinking is if they start unloading me from the back, they can go ahead and put the forks through here and kind of slide it to the left so that it kind of gets underneath that tarp there. So we don't have to pick the tarp all the way up and put it over that edge. All right, we're gonna go ahead and grab our bungees here. Good morning, guys. Tuesday, March 18th, we went ahead and made it to our second distribution center with Lowe's, and to be honest, it looks nearly identical to the exact same one we delivered to before. But anyway, that's besides the point. We're gonna go ahead and grab our handy dandy gloves, get all these bungees off, make this delivery so we can have this load force paid. Since it's Tuesday, I got to make sure this is off by noon so that I can get paid for it on this payroll. So we're gonna go ahead and hurry up and do all this and see where we're going next. All right. One tarp down, go. Man, this is so much easier when you got somebody to help you. Gonna get all this air out. All right, we'll go ahead and pull this blue tarp down. Shouldn't be too hard. I think we got all the bungees off. Notice I said I think, I didn't say I know. Maybe that's something I should have checked for. All right. I thought correct. All right. Sweet. First seam, second seam, third seam. We'll grab the third seam, pull it out. All right, go. First seam, second seam, third seam. Flap is on that side, so we'll fold towards the flap, just like that. Go ahead and take all the air out. While we at it, guys, look at this securement up here. We got the pretty X straps in the front. We got 2 within the first 5 feet. We even got another strap. All right, guys, we just went ahead and sent our empty call. We marked that we untarped it. We put our bill of lading number, the weight, the amount of pieces according to the bill of lading, our current trailer number, hours available before 10-hour break, our current fuel, which we have about 7/8 of fuel. We're not dropping a trailer. We went ahead and submitted that, and you get this message right here. It says empty call received. That's how you know they will have received it. And you can see here we're not dispatching a load, so now we're just basically waiting to get another load. Hopefully we're taking I-10 West because I'd like to be able to go home, but if not, it is what it is. So I'll see you guys when we get pre-planned. All right, guys, so we went ahead and got pre-planned. We're going to Senatobia, which is like 270-mile deadhead, over to pick up some rolled roofing, and then we're headed to right outside of Chicago. So I've got home time that is scheduled for next Monday, so I'm assuming they're going to I'm probably gonna pick up some coils somewhere outside Chicago and then take it to the Laredo terminal maybe, or they may find me something going to Houston, and then I'll end up getting deadheaded back home Monday. I'm hoping I can make it home by noon Monday, because we're actually supposed to, me and my fiance, we're supposed to be leaving to drive to Kentucky, because we're actually picking up a new dog, which is actually going to be coming on the truck with me, which I'll introduce you guys to the dog and everything. I'm sure you guys will like him. We are about 174 miles away from our pickup, so I'd say it's about 2.5 hours, yeah, 2 hours 35 minutes. So we'll be getting there right around 3 o'clock. I think our appointment's not set till 4:30, but we're gonna try and get it get in early, see if we can get loaded, because from my understanding it's just gonna be a couple straps over the top and then we'll be headed out of there. So should be easy. It's my first non-tarp load, which I'm kind of surprised. I went a whole month, actually a whole 5 weeks of straight tarp loads, so I wanted to keep the streak going, but unfortunately this one's not tarped, which I guess it's kind of good because it gives me a break, but honestly I don't need the break. The way I look at it is it's an extra $100, so I could have used it, but it is what it is. It's gonna be an easy load. It delivers tomorrow, I think somewhere around noon, so I'm gonna run hard tonight after I get loaded. I think it's only like a 400-mile drive, so it's a short, sweet load. We're gonna get there as quick as possible. I'll try and get a clip of us getting loaded if I don't forget, like I did this time when we got unloaded, but either way, I'll see you guys in a few. All right, guys, we are about to make our pickup here. It is 3:30 p.m. Central, and we are about to pull into the shipper here. I just received word that it's possible that this actually could be a preloaded trailer, so we might actually be dropping this trailer off here. I want to say I've been to one of these before, maybe not this facility in specific. Oh yeah, there's a lot of pre-built preloaded trailers I see.
Now turn left
And turn here. Alright, parking is that way for employees and shipping parking is this way, so I guess we'll come this way and see. Is there an entry back here? Because I could have swore. Oh, okay. That makes sense. And I was wondering. Let's not hit these trailers here. Look what we have here. We have another Melton truck. Nice. Oh, no way. Guessing it's in here. I have no idea. Hello, how are we doing today? I have a pickup appointment here. 529.
You can sign in on it.
Date is March 18th, 0529. Melton.
0529.
I'm sorry?
0529.
0529. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You'll sign the paper on the inside.
Okay. Let's see.
You'll sign this one, leave it in the folder, and you'll take that one.
Okay. And I am dropping
the empty.
Yeah, I was.
Find a spot over there. You can drop your empty on either side.
Ooh. We got this. Okay. Found a spot. Was able to back the trailer in. Only spot available. Go ahead and take these airlines off here. Then we'll go find our new trailer, just somewhere around here. Okay. All right. That's 1, 2. Let's go ahead and set these up here for now. Don't we just love switching trailers? It's like my favorite thing to do, right? Okay. Definitely not leaving this. Just gonna set these right behind the catwalk here. Every bungee counts. All right, we're all good. Let's go find our next trailer. All right, guys, found the trailer. Only took me about 30 seconds to find it. Go ahead and back up to it. It's gonna be an easy load. There we go. Let's do a little tug test. Yes. Real quick, on duty secure. All right. We'll go ahead and hook up the airlines. We're gonna move up a little bit just so we got some room. Perfect. Blue line. All right. All good. Guys, I'm finna be in and out of here. 2 straps, 3 straps, 4 straps. We'll get 7 on each side. 5, 6. We'll try 6 for now. We may not need any more. Here. Clear. like, dude, how does that even happen? Look at that. Clear. 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 Alright, guys, looks like we got all the straps on there. I think we used a total of, let's see, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 straps on this one. Let's go ahead and crank them down so we can go and get on out of here and make this impossible delivery for 8 a.m. All right. One more click. All right. Okay, YouTube peoples, we went ahead and got loaded, all secured fairly quickly. I'm about 6 hours from my fuel stop. We're gonna try and drive as far as we can today. I'm just hoping that we're able to find parking, because I really don't want to get stuck without parking anywhere near Illinois, especially Chicago. But I don't think we're actually gonna make it all the way to Chicago tonight, because I think it's actually like 500 miles, and we only have 4.5 hours we could drive. So we'll have to park a little early. So we'll see where we end up at. I'm trying to go ahead and finagle myself out of this parking lot here without hitting anything. All right, looking all good. So we're about 43,000, we're about 39,800 pounds. At least that's what the bills say. So we're gonna go ahead and scale and make sure we're not overweight. I don't think we're overweight on anything, but we're gonna go ahead and make sure of that, and I'll see you guys a little bit farther down the road. All right, guys, so we just went ahead and checked in here at ABC Supply here in Joliet, Illinois. So they instructed us to go ahead and unstrap, and they will send the forklift guys to come unload us. So we're gonna go ahead and get this unstrapped. Take me about 7-8 minutes to do that, and then we'll go find a spot at the truck stop. It's about 1:30 p.m. right now in the evening, and they stopped taking deliveries here at 2. So we made it here just in time. So we're gonna go ahead and hurry up, get on out of here, and then find a spot to park so that we can get loaded tomorrow, so that we can start heading back south. Hopefully we get a Texas load of coils that's tarped, because I could really use a tarp load to get back home. But anyway, guys, I'll see you guys at the next pickup. Alright guys, so as you guys have just seen, we have made our delivery in Illinois. We have already been pre-planned, so we are getting ready to head over to the EMJ here in Schaumburg, Illinois, which is right outside Chicago. And this is actually taking us to Dallas. So the delivery is for Monday. However, I do believe I can actually deliver this Friday, as long as I can make it there before 5 p.m. Because I believe that's when they stop receiving. And then I believe after that we'll be headed home. So if you guys have made it this far, I would appreciate it if you would hit that like button. It helps out the channel. It gets these videos going in the algorithm where we're gonna hopefully blow up one day and get a whole bunch of new subscribers, and hopefully we can get some more people to come to Melton. So if you guys did like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to join Melton Truck Lines, link is in the description. It would directly support me and the channel. And anyways guys, peace out, and I'll see you guys next week.